Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off Descale light on Keurig K Express Essentials. So in order to turn off the machine, you just have to fill the reservoir. You need to press 8 O's and 12 O's together for a few seconds. Then the machine will turn on and the center K will flash. The descale light will stop flashing and it will be steady on. After you have run two reservoirs of liquid through the machine, the light will go out. So you just have to follow these steps in order to turn off your descale light on Keurig K Express Essentials. If you still face any of the problems regarding this, you can simply come to the official website of Keurig.com, and over here you can click on the chat option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you can type this message and then you just have to press enter. Now after waiting for some time, it will either give you the instructions to fix this problem, or it will assign an agent to you to whom you can simply ask this question and they can also help you in this regard. But most probably your problem will be solved if you do this, like if you press 8 O's and 12 O's together for a few seconds. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.